Got some birds up there chirping. They're making some noise today. The dad's out there gathering up worms, and the mom's over there chewing him out because he's not back yet. They'll be here in a second. Ooh. You can hear a little bird up in there. I don't know how many's in there, but that's the Fred and Felicia. And here's the pup over there. She's over there checking something out across the street. Probably something like a cat that doesn't belong in the neighborhood or something like that. She has to make sure that this is a no cat zone. But anyway, just sitting out on the porch drinking coffee, watching these birds up here play. He's looking for her, but she took off. Go in there and feed them yourself. Oh, they'll be here in a second. I don't think it's because I'm down here, because they see me all the time. There's one of them on the ground over there by the tree. Probably looking, that's probably where all the worm stash is. But they sure are noisy. I'll turn that down a little bit. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm out here drinking coffee before I go to work, enjoying this nice day. And anyway, that's what I'm doing. Pup is at attention over there. Ain't that right, pup? Come here. Come here, pup. She's over there. Got to sniff something. Come here. Let me scratch on you. Yeah, sure. Clean off those eyeballs there. Okay. Well, anyway, I hope everybody has a great day today. And I hope that you're feeling good today, Samantha. And I hope that your mom is feeling good. And that Kevin and Tia have great success. Tia is getting a new job, moving to Lebanon to go to work as a supervisor at a haircut place. And Colin and Jean and Renee are doing great. And I'm just glad that everybody is successful and that everything is going to work out. Because when God and Jesus is on our side, only great things happen. And it may not be what we think should happen, but when they do it, is exactly what needs to happen. And you will see it in the long term. So, once again, everybody have a great day. See ya. Out there chirping. Now I'll do my usual ending that I got taught by somebody. Great ending, isn't it?